check. Uh-huh. Yes, Twitch family, Babylon Fall Sound System from Apuwasi in Quito, with the sound system behind us for the first time. Tuning Tuesdays, big up the Galaxy Sound Station. Martin I at the controls, yours truly ODM. Let's go!
Wicked must get them fear. Freedom, I will be black man want. Oh yeah, freedom, I will be black man want. Cause of living is sky high. That's why the poor man belly dry. More our slave master said, black man no want that, oh yeah. Freedom, already ready. If no one no work, freedom.
Not to trade no trouble, no one. Not to trade this walk on the righteous road, as I would say. Lord have mercy, say naughty, naughty, say naughty, naughty. Yeah, grace of God, the righteous man, I would say. Not to trade him and the righteous man. You know, not to trade him and the righteous man. Say not to trade that in no trouble, no one. Say not to trade him and the righteous man. Say not to trade that in no trouble, no one. Say what? Say not to walk on the street with love in a him heart. Walk on the street with love in a him heart. Walk in a east with love in a him heart. Walk in a west with love in a him heart. Walk down north, natty walk down north. Natty walk with love in a him heart. Walk down south, natty walk down south. Natty walk with love in a him heart. Say natty tread him and the righteous man. Say natty tread that him no trouble no one. Natty tread him and the righteous man. Say natty tread that him no trouble no one. Say natty walk with love and natty don't walk with war. Walk with love and natty don't walk with war. War make you lose for your life, you know here. War make you lose for your soul, you know here. Say natty walk with love, natty don't walk with war. Walk with love and natty don't walk with war. Great sounds God, natty dread of the righteous man, I would say. Ja, 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 wow, wow, wow. Natty, 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 natty. Natty, 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 natty. Say natty walk in a east, natty walk with love. Natty walk in a west, and natty walk with love. Natty walk in a north, natty walk with love. Natty walk down south, natty walk with love. Natty walk on the righteous way. Say natty walk on the righteous road. Natty walk on the conscious road. Say natty walk on the conscious road. Say natty walking down the road with a bridge in your ear. Them talking about love, me say conscious love. Them talking about no war, them a talk about peace. Say peace and love, you know they tread them a talk about. Talk with love in your heart and soul. Talk with love in your heart and soul. And that Jaja want, Jana want no war. Love with Jah want, Jana want no war. Say not they walk on the conscious road. Say not they walk on the righteous road. Great sounds God, not the dread walk on the righteous road. I would say, Jack, 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 wow, wow, wow. Jack, 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 wow, wow, wow. Fanta the kingdom, kings and the lords of lords. The conquering lion from the tribe of Judah. I lick up God, never living God. The earth rightful ruler. The earth rightful ruler.
Put our trust in the ancient of days. Shield, strength, and redeemer, who loosen the seven seas thereof. Let Jah arise, and all his enemies be scattered. Flee before I, as the wax melt before the fire. Could I never penetrate or stop this your force? Go away with your skizzy. But the Iowa is critical. Stand firm in this and stay far from Babylon. Never fail I yet, for He is our light and our Savior. Woe be unto them who fight against the Almighty. Guide thy going out and protect thy coming in. Let our faith be nourished henceforth and forever. Said He's the head creator, the chief inspiration. Tell them to back way and cool it off. Sending out a warning. Truth could never stifle.
Go tell it on the mountain. Whoa, life is an ever-flowing fountain. His imperial majesty, King of kings, Lord of lords, conquering Lion of the tribe of Judah, elect of this world. What manner of man is this? So little and so great, that put me in this mental state. I gotta sing about Him, tell the world about Him. I gotta speak highly about Him, cause He's His imperial majesty. He's the King of kings and Lord of lords. He's the conquering Lion of the tribe of Judah. He's the elect of this world. Whoa, oh yeah. What manner of man is this? He's so little, yet so great. Said He put me in this mental state. I gotta sing about Him. I gotta chant about Him. I gotta tell it from the mountaintop. I gotta shout it all over, cause His imperial majesty is the King of kings, the Lord of lords, is the conquering Lion of the tribe of Judah, is the elect of this world. He comes to break the chain asunder. He comes to set the captive free. He comes to prepare a place for you and for me. I said His imperial majesty is the King of kings, the Lord of lords, is the conquering Lion of Judah, is the Lamb of this world. I gotta sing about Him. I gotta tell the world about Him. I gotta lift Him up. I gotta praise His name, cause He's His imperial majesty. He's the King of kings and Lord of lords. He's the conquering Lion of the tribe of Judah. He's the Lord of this world. I say He's His majesty and He's mighty. He's everlasting. You gotta sing about Him. You gotta talk about Him. You gotta praise His name, cause He's mighty in battle. Yes, He's merciful, He's kind. He is everlasting in His power. He is strong as a lion. Yes, He's a conquering Lion. Controls the tribe of Judah. a Babylon situation. Only so many of my father children are they're living under Babylon situation.
Twitch family, we're live from Quito, Ecuador, en el Apuwasi. Babylon Fall Sound System, yours truly ODM, aka Original Dub Master, alongside Martin I. This is a Galaxy Sound Station thing called Tuning Tuesday. Happens every Tuesday, right here on Twitch. Let's go!
from the generation. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. I'm on a track from foundation. And this is my motivation.
Yes, big up Ricky Galaxy Sound Station. We're gonna rate them in about an hour at the top of next hour. Let's go.
You better respect those icons who were before. Principles they've laid down, you cannot ignore. Study your history so that you can be sure and make your future secure. Follow the tradition that they have laid and show respect for the sacrifice they've made.
Tuning Tuesday, let's go.
I say, my dear mama Sophie used to tell me, if you spread your bed hard, you sleep hard. That's why so much body end up down a morgue. And the youths, them are dead like dog. And them tell them, say them have to go on. And they don't want to live in one accord. By the old school rule. The old school rule. Now live the old school rule. The old school rule. And the old school rule. You see me now fight, 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 fight.
Actions speak more louder than words. Wise man sayings come from proverbs. Empty barrels make the loudest noise. Empty barrels make the loudest noise. Don't you know that Jah will provide? Don't you know that Jah will provide? Man want to argue when him should have reason. Some bear fruit in a them due season. These are just the words of the wise. These are just the words of the wise. Africa, one day you will rise. Your brother, you must never despise. The color of a man's skin mean no more than his eye. Deceitful words are mingled with lies. Man want fi argue when him should have reason. Some bear fruits in a them due season. These are just the words of the wise. These are just the words of the wise. Your children, we must rise. Always be up and remember you're my child. And keep that cup full within your heart, you'll wear a smile. I say, always be up, never ever let them get you down. And keep your joy full and never wear the frown. Equal rights and justice stands for justified by her children. Yes, yeah. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Be fruitful, be helpful, keep your cup full in this time. Be fruitful and be helpful.
Uh-huh.
And keep your cup full in this time.
Big up Vane, Apuwasi.
Remember you're my child. And keep your cup full. Within your heart you'll wear a smile. Always be up.
Yaga yaga yo, yaga ya yo, yaga yaga yo, yaga ya yo. Sometimes I know that I'm a dreamer. Sometimes I wish I was a leader. Sometimes I wish I was an eloquent speaker. I know that I'm a dreamer. Yeah. Love for Jah, yes, love for nature. Oh, yes, it would be my national criteria. Deal with the root and the cause of our crime. Knowledge of the soul, it would be in the teenager's mind. Instead of all the Sodom and Gomorrah easy. Make this world a better place for us to live in. Oh yeah. Give unto the people natural liberty, liberty. My campaign would be for all humanity. Oh yeah, yeah. Sometimes I know that I'm a dreamer. Sometimes I wish I was a leader. Sometimes I wish I was an eloquent speaker. Sometimes I know that I'm a dreamer. Yeah. Yaga, 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 yaga. Oh, oh.
Them a go fall like watch how we step when we walking. Lyrics them a menace, I feel it blemish. Long time ready for the Gideon, yeah this. I call it Babylon, a ball in a crevice. We don't want nothing from Babylon. No satisfied till flames take Vatican. Slave master vanish like magician. We no ease up, we no dirty politician. Snakes in the grass where them waiting on.
Uh-huh. Tuning Tuesday happens each and every Tuesday. It's a Twitch thing, it's a Galaxy Sound Station thing. Let's go, Martin I.
Just next with us in the class. Yeah, we keep pushing till all Babylon attach. Knees never buckle, yeah, them off is steadfast. Enough things sell on the black market. Everything white, them must say Christ go and check. Check in a Christ name, and them go and take. Wipe out flat line wherever them step. Watch them a set another black target. Out of the belly of the beast start trek. One trip we from them a go see the progress. Put to head no other judge a protect. We don't want nothing from never make solutions, no way. What a time so crucial, yeah. Time get brutal, yeah. More time them talk empty. And no even else can tempt me. Nothing in the world them can tell me. Me just a glance to Babylon plenty. Good over evil, a Jah overcome. Night till a morning, them get chant down. Sword and a shield, all imposter fi run. From long time, iniquity a fi done. You must think that we forget. Nothing nice come out of Babylon yet. Them dirty hypocrite me just can't take. Babylon a listen a fi change dialect. We don't want nothing from Babylon. No satisfied till flames take Vatican. Slave master vanish like magician. We no ease up, we no dirty politician. Snakes in the grass where them waiting on. Said them a take orders from England. But we never know we African.
Mama tell me, boom, cause I'm a ghetto man with a big plan. And my music I got mash down Babylon. Said I'm a ghetto man with a big plan. And the music gonna make I strong. Come down, I'm a ghetto man with a big plan. And my music I got mash down Babylon. Said I'm a ghetto man with a big plan. And the music I gonna make I strong. Never give up, never stop trying. Don't let the opportunity go pass you by. Encouragement, hold tight to your faith. Even sometimes if you make a mistake, seeking every day for inspiration to bring up high and high the vibration. Get a man there and him on a mission. For each and every day we just a right version. Boom! Stand up on your rights, Babylon a fight. Culture be a jam it and a bless up the mic. Park up the car, don't live on a bike. If you not have no bike, then you have to hitch hike. A roots and culture within a your man like. I get a man run it till the broad daylight. Say call all of the brethren them from up on the ends. And tell them say we come yourself we burn it up again. Cause I'm a ghetto man with a big plan. And my music I go mash down Babylon. Say I'm a ghetto man with a big plan. And the music I go make I strong.
More prosperity if you wanna know. We have to stand tall. When judgment a come, Babylon shall fall. More prosperity if you wanna know.
Me want to see me people rise. Stand up and fight, open your eye and free your mind. A lot of blood has spilled, me see no people crying. Mother's a bad, a lot of you then deal with crime. Now is the time for revolution. Together is a better way to find solution. In a this time you see enough mental pollution. I feel it, the people right, avoid that confusion. Alright.
Yo, Mayday, put on the 9 and the AK. Can't find a rest on a red day. Can't find a way up, no escape. No price, no rate. No if you fight with no delay. If you stand tall, now if you down late. You them a lie all day. Killing us end like a 9 to 5. Drop them bombs in a Palestine. Blocks them a boom all day, all night. So when they never brief, we gon' make it right. No forget kill, just for a dime. Now then no care, who left behind. Politician, then dirty bad mind. Yeah, then dirty bad mind. Them a kill over yonder. Patrol the town and a walk with the tanker. Them a wait silent in the bunker. Yeah, you coulda live a land and you coulda flank us. Life and no game and no Minecraft. Can't stop up the fight. If you stand tall, if you put down the crime. Put down the crime. Can't stop up the fight. If you stand tall, if you put down the crime.
People rise, stand up and fight, open your eye and free your mind. A lot of blood has spilled, me see no people crying. Mothers are back, a lot of you them deal with crime.
Esto no es un simulacro, no, this is not a test. Go to the south, they said, go to the west. There you'll be safe, they said, there you'll be safe. Go to the south. We demand a ceasefire now. Let's uplift our voices, cause silence is supporting genocide. They want to wipe out Palestine. So let's uplift our voices, cause it's about basic human rights. Alto al fuego ya. Avivemos nuestras voces, porque el silencio es complicidad. Quieren con infalible para aniquilarla sin compasión. Y no hay justificación que avale esta decisión que es tomada con la ambición de hacerse de todo el control. Oye, de todo el territorio palestino, pues así lo dicta claramente el dólar y el libro más vendido. No intentes resistirte, esto es por derecho divino. Aquí todos son un peligro, incluso los bebés y niños. Incluso los bebés y niños.
Have we lost our voice and lost our souls? Can't you hear the cries of the children as they rule? Calling for a ceasefire, ICJ fell short. Watching as the genocide unveiling at the door. I long for Gaza in peace. Who can the innocent sleep? Oh, when will Palestine be free? Freedom from the river to the sea. We demand the ceasefire now.
As I'm watching so far, running so fast, and will I see and the same? To be blessed or to be blamed? Yes, I'm going ahead, but I can't pretend, no, that I've already made a choice between my brain and my voice. Too many days, too many nights, searching my soul, yeah. Which is the answer? I just don't know. I just don't know. No, no. How many days, how many sides, how many faces I've seen. Too many ways, too many signs, searching my soul. I've been searching my soul, searching my soul. Yeah, searching my soul. Yes, I've been searching my soul, my soul, my soul, my soul, searching my soul, my soul, my soul. And I'm watching so far, running so fast, yeah. Or will I see and the same? To be blessed or to be blamed? Yes, I'm going ahead, but I can't pretend, no, that I've already made a choice between my brain and my voice. Yeah. Too many days, too many nights, searching my soul. Yeah. Which is the answer? I just don't know. I just don't know. I'll make
Hey, Willie Bang Bang, Willie Bang, Willie Bang, Willie Bang, Willie Bang. You search and find my Rizilla. Now you're asking what you gonna dev Rasta. But I don't know what you're talking about, so beg your pardon, Mr. Officer. I am a soldier for Jah, who's protected by the scriptures. And I no see no gun, but I'm looking in the face of a vampire. Rasta, no gangster. You represent the slave master. I'm here to set the people free. Peace is my philosophy. I'm here to set the people free. Peace is my philosophy. Mr. Officer, why you are do this? And I'm the king of this palace. Him said, don't speak to me, cause I was saved here by the beast.
Tune in Tuesdays. Yours truly, ODM, at the controls, live from Quito, Ecuador, at the Apohuasi Centro Cultural, con el sound system. Big up Martin I, massive set, big up Vane.
our people free. Peace is my philosophy. Hey, willy bang bang, willy bang bang, willy bang bang. Hey, willy bang bang, willy bang bang, willy bang bang. Forget all my problema. Way high up like antenna. When I smoke herbs like them, yeah. And them, yeah, and them, yeah, and them, yeah. I know my stone as friend, completely comprehend. When I smoke herbs like them, yeah. And them, yeah, and them, yeah, and them, yeah. I feel real old G, Jenna, make me pass flow 9, reach way up at 10. 10 and a half, man, I shout 11, 12, 13, 13 in a me palena. It a working pan me a Jenna. Lina rush like 3 bad bimmer.
Big up Drew Keys. Big up the Galaxy Sound Station. Big up Perfect Giddy Money.
Forget all my problema. Way high up like antenna. When I smoke herbs like them, yeah. And them, yeah, and them, yeah, and them, yeah. I know my stone as friend, completely comprehend. When I smoke herbs like them, yeah. And them, yeah, and them, yeah, and them, yeah. Seed bank, the man, the teller. High grade for me herb officer. We spliff big like umbrella. Them wall like natty up like Mandela. Say me stink up the 5-star villa. Straight ice cream, cake of vanilla. Every strain when me light up a killer. Now pay them no mind, I stop consider. Forget all my problema. Way high up like antenna. When I smoke herbs like them, yeah. And them, yeah, and them, yeah. Bad, heavy and loud. Big sound system, a rock and shock out. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-lang. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-lang. Bang, 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 medley, misery, be bomb skin. Hey, yo. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-lang. Lord. We love the sound big, bad, heavy and low. Big, bad, heavy and low. Selector, big tune where you play the perfect vibes to rock the tribe and make them all fly away. The 45 up, fling it up, fling it right away. Cause when we step in a dance, the massive half ram the place away. You know the rhythm that turn up the dance. Techniques is super advanced. You know the dub, the cut, the mix, the story, the hits and all romance. But tell you clean with the thing. MCs go and step in. Here comes another member of the team. My operator, your sound pristine. From the E to the Q and then compressing. From the top to the base, you keep controlling. You know there's another DB sound man thing. You know if you tweak the Twitter with your A-class power. And if you never know about this, you miss the class, my brother. The operator, the man that make it sound well round and proper. But only, cause this is just a starter. Sound big, bad, heavy and loud. Big sound system, a rock and shock out. Big, bad, heavy and loud. Big bass that we talk about. Big, bad, big, bad. Big, bad. Singer, DJ and entertainer. Make sure that your lyrics sharp and well designed. I prefer to mainly listen, intelligence in the rhythm development. See the meaning of elegant stone art. Write down your lines from a clear state of mind. Down to the one and the next one, fake combine. Connect your emotion
musicians to the pen and the rhyme. And let another member of the team one shine. Organizer, rise up, you are the manager. Them never know your next move because you're two step over. You talk to the crew and to the venue, are you alone? And make the piece of the tune be precise like a Swiss timer. You know how to speak and to be intelligible. Go on with the team, we bring it to another level. And when you see the red pan the mixer, you say, yo, Rico Willie, the volume is too loud.
We love the sound big, bad, heavy and low. Big sound system, I rock and shackle.
Satellite, the musical fire, and give the dancehall what they desire. No one enough silent to grooves.
Yes, we be better, smarter than them.
Dancehall anthem.
When the big sound a play, feel the bass a drop from all a mile away. Girls them a bubble just a gone away. Everyone shouting big sound, big sound. When the big sound a play, extra clip a cut from all a mile away. Girls them a bubble just a gone away. Everybody chanting the big sound, big sound. Leave all your worries at the front lines.
Leave it.
Scream free your mind and let it go.
Big up DJ Panamanian, the Panamanian. Let's go, hermano.
Only with the music.
Place your body, baby, let it flow.
Watch this.
Wanna play the music a bust up inna me head. Me sit and rock the ball, let me sit and rock the natty just be quiet. Buy up the bar, me see them a bun them blank spread. Una hold a jack, me see them a hold a little meds. Big me up, me big up the rude boy Fred. What so girl me see ya wind up them waist. You hear the treble, book book you hear the bass. Music so sweet, everyone a take a taste. We not rub no fight, so we not spit no mace.
Sound a play,
Feel the bass a drop from all a mile away. Girls them a bubble just a gone away. Everyone shouting big sound, big sound. When the big sound a play, extra clip a clap from all a mile away. Girls them broke out and just a gone away. Everyone shouting big sound, big sound. You and your matches box. Yeah, even test one of me speaker box. Never. You and your careless screw shall be driven away. It no makes sense, pussy strap. People that deal with you go lock up that. Lock up. Big better sound, better tune, me selector a play.
Watch this. Don't play the bus in a them head like lead. Sound start men like a butter against bread. When it come a sound clash, we no best friend. Feel we sound better dance all on them. We give them a Buju Banton, we give them a Great Flower Gun, we give them a Sanchez and Ninja. Them a run like them mad. Never know we have so much bad selection. They want know where we get a slam pattern. We give them a bad Jimmy Cliff and a Barry Salmon. We give them a Shopper Super Cat. Me see them a dress up. I play a bad tune and bust them head tap. Come in and you come sing it, don't stop.
When the big sound a play, feel the bass a drop from all a mile away. Girls them a bubble and a gone away. Everyone shouting big sound, big sound.
No, no, no. No ice cream sound, sound boy. No, 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 no. No ice cream sound. I don't want no ice cream sound. It is too soft for me. I don't want no ice cream sound. It is soft, can't you see? Hey, I want a sound that can play me rub-a-dub until the morning. Sound boys. I want a sound that can make me rock until the dawning. And that is why I say my sound is the nicest, is the sweetest sound. Sound boys. You know our sound is the nicest, is the sweetest sound. Sound boys. No ice cream sound. No ice cream sound. No, 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 no ice cream sound. I don't want no ice cream sound to try to test my sound. Sound boys. I don't want no ice cream sound to have a clash with my sound. No way. Because my
Big up Grace 32. Big up the Panamanian.
rock sound boys, because my sound is the sound that make the whole world rock non-stop. I just my sound, my sound, my sound, I just my sound. No ice cream sound, sound boys. I don't want no amateur sound to have a clash with my sound. Oh no, I don't want no one-dub sound to have a clash with we, no way. Hey, I want a sound that can ram obsession in the morning, sound boys. I want a sound that can ram dance on in the evening, sound boys. Give me the sound that can ram dance on till the morning. And that is why I say my sound is the sweetest yet the roughest sound. Sound boys, you know my sound is the roughest yet the sweetest sound. Can't you see me?
I'm in the mood to kill a sound, champion sound, let's show them down. Give me the rhythm, for I've got the feeling, Lord. I'm in the mood to kill a sound, champion sound, let's show them down. Give me the rhythm, for I've got the feeling, Lord.
Play this one until me can't hear no more. This word to not wicked him off the dance floor. Play the one to murder run and hide. Yeah, this word tonight, that's why you lose up. Select a wheel, I want until me can't hear no more. Yeah, this word to not wicked him off the dance floor. Play the one to murder run and hide. Yeah, this word tonight, that's why you lose a life, the champion. Oh, you play so good, you must see heaven sent. Wickedest sound and ever hearing on the resident. You are the teacher, them sound a student. How you play with so magnificent?
I'm in the mood to kill a sound, champion sound, let's show them down. Give me the rhythm, for I've got the
hammer them this year. Them a line up, them a join up, them can't join here. No for watch and no for chat, and no for them a steer. All them a chat, tell them disappear. Them but now them no know they can't compare. Call on the champion, now where you from the new gear. Dance all must have full planning on the ear. You love the champion, boy. Play this song until me can't hear no more. This way tonight we keep them off the dance floor. Play them when they run and hide. You this way tonight, that's why you lose. The champion rings.
Hey, today I want to perish the most man King Selassie I Joe. Rastafari. Well, so I do they then rage near me sing. Unimagine vain turns. But make sure you live it take care. It's always a pulling and for the winds. And I said don't get tricked, neither convict. And then become a victim. Because so every man rocks, hear me sing. Them go and get pay us guarded. I can't me just tell them say a bigger judgment put all in and me just say Teddy, yeah, me a bigger judgment. Wonder Phaser, I'll select say Elvis Store, me just tell them say show yeah, me a bigger judgment. Run it, I'll my thing. I want all the people a judgment. I bigger judgment in a room, you know. Remember, so me sing again. Sound boy, you king, I learn judgment, mother of Allah. You kingdom is falling, but when me sing again, Lucifer, your kingdom is falling. Judgment, mother of Allah. Your kingdom is falling, but when me sing, but I see some boy judgment a come, and then the moon and the star and the sun them a go down. Some boy judgment come, can't escape them judgment here when they come. Taro, I will a meditation and now watch things are run. I smoke with chalice pipe, I beat bongo drum, me bless the cup, light it up and burn fatigue and down. What this me see have gone under the sun. Some boy have I CD and now voice album. The little sell gold, I sell platinum. A long time them have black people down in the slum. Church and state, religion, them use all with tongue. The politics conflict, them use always. Sound boy, your kingdom of again. Sound boy, your kingdom is falling. Judgment, mother of Allah. Your kingdom is falling. But when we sing again, Lucifer, your kingdom is falling. Judgment, mother of Allah. Your kingdom is falling.
Sound boy, say a little prayer every night before you go to sleep. Sound boy, say a little prayer every night before you go to sleep. 'Cause tomorrow is promised to no one. When you think it's peace and safety,
Original Dub Master. Original Dub Master. Yeah, man.
Original,
Master.
speak the truth, we never cause a category. 'Cause you don't know. If you select the wrong dog, you don't know. Sound boy, say a little prayer every night before you go to sleep. 'Cause tomorrow is promised to no one. When you
disturb my soul. Oh yeah. But I know Jah love will always protect me, and He'll preserve my soul. Oh, oh, oh. Make haste, oh God, to deliver me, and lift me high so that they can see what I see. Ali, Ali, oh, I see Moses. Oh, yeah. Ali, Ali, oh, here is Joshua on the hilltop shouting. Ali, Ali, oh, I see David. Oh, boy. Ali, Ali, oh. Now I speak the truth, let me see who will confront me. Knowing the hypocrites, they always watching. Let them be ashamed who seek after my soul. Let them be turned back who wish to see me go down. Let me shout, Ali, Ali, oh. I see Moses standing tall and I say, Ali, Ali, oh. I see Joshua, oh yeah. Ali, Ali, oh. Let me hear you say, Ali, Ali, oh.
Fisherman row, keep on rowing your boat. Brother man, your row. Fisherman row, lots of hungry belly picking it ashore. Millions of them, lots of hungry belly picking it ashore. Living in a bamboo hut in a little old seaport town. 3 kids on the floor and another one to come make for. Day by day, I'm unstepping along the seashore. Day by day, I'm unstepping along the seashore. I'm a rebel, so rebel.
Ajá, el baile rebelde.
I'm a capturer.
Este viernes 12 de diciembre, aquí en el Apuwasi, baile rebelde. No te olvides, 8 de la noche, $5 de cover, incluye un trago.
On the hillside.
Voy a estar yo, Original Dub Master. Va a estar Martin I. Va a estar Pachuco Pacheco. Va a estar 422. Va a estar el colectivo Addis Abeba. Les esperamos.
So rebel. I'm a capturer. Soul adventurer. See the morning sun.
That's right, Tuning Tuesday.
Loving you, well, well, well. Day will make the way for night. All we'll need is candlelight and a song. Yeah, soft and long. Well, glad to be here alone with a lover unlike no other. Sad to see.
Big up Pacalolos. Welcome, brethren. Big up yourself.
Interview. Yeah, I wanna be living for the love of you. Yeah, all that I'm giving is for the love of you. Oh yes, lovely as a ray of sun that touches me when the morning comes, feels good to me. Yeah, my love and me. Well, well, well. Smoother than a gentle breeze, flowing through my mind with ease, soft as can be. Well, when you're loving me, when you're loving me, love to be riding the waves of your love, enchanted with your touch, and it seems to me we could sail together in and out of mystery. Well, I wanna be living for the love of you. Alright. See, when I saw you dancing, oh yeah, that was when I felt like moving, grooving. And I saw you dancing, that was when I felt like grooving, moving. See, I thought you were born lazy. You fool me, lady, though I might sometimes seem a bit crazy.
Tuning Tuesdays. We're gonna rate the Galaxy Sound Station at the top of the hour. Let's go.
See, when I saw you dancing, oh yeah, that was when I felt like moving, grooving, whoa, moving. When I saw you dancing, oh yeah, that was when I felt like grooving. Whoa, it was soothing, whoa, moving. See, I thought you were born lazy. You fool me, lady, though I might sometimes seem a bit crazy. Oh yes, lady.
For real, a big deal.
No, no, no.
You don't love me, and I know now. No, no, no. I
sometimes seems a bit crazy. Oh yes, lady, keep on moving. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Big up the Panamanian.
Yeah. Whoa, yeah. Oh, come on.
Uh-huh. Tuning Tuesday, let's go!
'Cause you left me, baby, and I've got no place to go now. No, no, no. I'll do anything you say, boy.
When I saw you dancing, oh yeah, that was when I felt like moving, oh yeah. See, when I the way you danced, it was interesting.
Half of the story has never been told. Half of the story has never been told. Half of the story has never been told. Half of the story has never been told.
Half of the story has never been told. See one them circles who road the Dead Sea Scroll. See them a alter human DNA gene code. Darkness turn to light and know the truth unfold. Half of the story has never been told. Secret society of the skull and bone. Me behind the scene of the Bohemian Grove. So they determine which it will dominate the globe. It is all a part of this scheme to have this whole world under one regime. So they create the virus, man-made disease. Vaccine changing genome, stealing identity. Tell you it's all a part of this scheme. Rastafari give the vision, them interpreting dreams. We keep the fire burning red, them can't money eat. Anytime we cloudy up, serpent on the feet. Make we chant roti Babylon straight down to the ground. Jericho wall, build a bird, making decision on humanity's behalf. MK Ultra project Monarch, subject interference, the starting thoughts. Control it as them want with software program that's installed. Pharmaceutical experimentation, pure more food a plant. Third world country feeding its nation so its people don't starve. Them impose economic sanctions, abuse the mineral resource. Finance the conflicts in Africa so there is tribal wars. Half of this story has never been told. See one them circles who road the Dead Sea Scroll. See them a alter human DNA gene code. Darkness turn to light and know the truth unfold. Half of the story has never been told. Secret society of the skull and bone. Me behind the scene of the Bohemian Grove. So they determine which it dominate.
No retreat, no surrender. I'm gonna fight to the very last breath. No retreat, no surrender. I'm gonna fight to the very last breath.
Yeah, yeah, I never give up and see to no defeat. With the heart of a lioness proceed. With faith size a mustard seed, we will achieve. Move mountains of burdens up to cope with ease. You see, warrior size the poverties like athletes feet I purpose be. Stand for truth and righteousness, strength nobody must scared to speak. They ill prepared, repeat them histories. To my feet as a queen cannabis. To be a beacon of hope for those who can't cope in a world full of challenges.
No retreat, no surrender. I'm gonna fight to the very last breath. No retreat, no surrender. I'm gonna fight to the very last breath.
Goliath slewed by David sling and a stone. The Philistine by Samson with the donkey jawbone. The moral it's not impossible to do it left alone. On the battleground when you must hold your own. Never fear no one. Resilient warriors militant. cognizant that the man is the master of his decision. What's asked us shall be given. The universe bring fruition, regardless of your situation.
No retreat, no surrender.
No retreat.
I'm gonna fight to the very last breath. No retreat, no surrender. I'm gonna fight to the very last breath.
Every essence, every fiber of my being, every breath in LXL produced an opportunity to make useful today. Tomorrow is no guarantee. In the present moments, I see destinies defined by these. Can't so can worry, peace. My people better be wise and not weak. Stop owing to the system, keeping wealthy the elites, while in the ghetto youths are suffer with the poor. Them can't find no relief.
No retreat, no surrender. No retreat, no surrender.
Babylon, you're bound to fall. Babylon, you're bound to fall. Babylon, you're bound to fall. Them have to fall when judgment comes.
We say goodbye with this one. We're gonna rate the Galaxy Sound Station.
Babylon, you're bound to fall.
Next.
Babylon, you're bound to fall.
Big up each and every one of you.
You're bound to fall. Them have to fall when judgment comes.
Yes, I want to big up each and every one of you. Big up Grace. Big up the Panamanian. Big up Ricky Galaxy. Big up Martin I. Big up Pacalolos. I don't know who else is out there, but big up everyone that tuned in. We're live from Quito, in front of the sound system, at the Apuwasi Centro Cultural. Thank you. We're going for the Galaxy Sound Station next.
Babylon, you're bound to fall. Babylon, you're bound to fall. Babylon, you're bound to fall. Them have to fall when judgment comes. They've been doing so many wrong to the righteous man.
That's right.
Babylon, you're bound to fall. Them have to fall when judgment comes. They've been doing so many wrong to the righteous man. Look what they have done to my brothers and sisters. Down in Africa, down in Jerusalem. Babylon, you're bound to fall. Boy, yo, yo, yo. Babylon, Babylon, Babylon. Them have to fall when judgment comes.
Let's go.
They've been doing so many wrong to the righteous man. Look what they have done to my brothers and sisters. Down in Africa, down in Jerusalem. Babylon, you're bound to fall. Boy, yo, yo, yo. Babylon, Babylon. use us, they treat us so bad. Oh, yo, yo, yo. Babylon, you bound to fall. When judgment day come, there will be no way you gonna escape from the righteous day. Oh, yo, yo, yo. Down in Africa, down in Jerusalem, Babylon, Babylon, Babylon. Them have to fall when judgment come. No way you gonna escape. No way you gonna get away. Boy, yo, yo, yo. We in July. A chichi wo, ye wo, ye wo. A chichi wo, ye wo, ye wo. Them have to fall in a judgment day. Boy, yo, yo, yo. Down in Africa, down in Jerusalem, Babylon, you're bound to fall. Fall when judgment day comes. Babylon, Babylon, Babylon. Them have to fall when judgment comes.